Hi friends, welcome to Nandini's recipe with me Nandini Satish. Today's recipe is an interesting recipe, Mutton Dalcha. Mutton Dalcha is a lentil based stew originated from Hyderabadi kitchens. Now let's get started with the recipe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe for interesting recipes. To a heated cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the whole spices, bay leaf, ellaichi, cinnamon sticks and cloves. Add 3 medium-sized onions, shallots preferable. Add 2 green chillies and add in 3 chopped tomatoes. The mutton dalcha requires sour taste, so I have added more tomatoes to the mutton dalcha. Saute the ingredients until the tomatoes get cooked. For preparing the masala for the mutton dalcha, add in 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Saute them well. Along with them, add 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala. For the mutton dalcha, the main ingredient is lentils or dal or paruppu in Tamil. So add in half cup of Toor dal, 3/4 cup of Bengal gram. Today I have taken 400 grams of mutton along with the bones because the mutton with the bones would add taste to the mutton dalcha. I have added 3 cups of water. Add more water because the lentils along with the mutton needs to be cooked and lentils require more water to get cooked. Add required amount of salt. Now let's pressure cook this mutton along with the lentils for about 4 to 5 whistles. Vegetables like brinjal, drumstick, potatoes and mango slices can be added to the mutton dalcha. Today I have taken 300 grams of brinjal and potatoes that are roughly chopped. Let's cook the vegetables. To a heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Saute them. Add the chopped onions, say roughly about half onion, and some curry leaves. Saute them well. When the onion gets cooked, add 300 grams of brinjal and 200 grams of potato that are roughly chopped. Add water and cook the ingredients in low flame for about 10 minutes. Now transfer the cooked vegetables to the pressure cooked mutton for the mutton dalcha and leave it in low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Check the mutton dalcha. If you find the sour taste is very less, add some tamarind water to the mutton dalcha. Finally, finish the preparation by adding some finely chopped coriander leaves and let it get cooked in low flame for about 5 minutes. Now, the delicious super cooked mutton dalcha is ready to be served. Best combination for mutton dalcha is ghee rice that I would say. Try out this combination and please put your comments in the comment section. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel so that we can explore different Indian food recipes together. Hit a thumbs up and if you like it, share it with your friends and family members. It means a lot to me. Thank you.